No, sorry. Got carried away. Spoons. Okay. Hi. Have you been able to go outside? It is so beautiful. It was gorgeous yesterday. Gorgeous today. As soon as I finish recording, I'm going to get outside. We are going to try a garden this year. I'm really, really excited about it. So, I transplanted flowers yesterday, and today I'm going to do some gardening. All right. Our lesson today is about tablespoons and teaspoons. The teaspoon is the little one. The tablespoon is the big one. Now, as a kid, the way I would keep them straight, if you think about that you need to stir your tea, you're usually going to use your little spoon to stir some sugar in your tea. I also would think about that the word tea, T-E-A, was littler than the word table. And that's how I keep them apart. All this is letting you know is that it takes 3 of these to make 1 of these. And now I want you to look real quick. In your book on the yellow, it says that teaspoon is labeled TSP, tablespoon is tbsp. True, but also not true. And that's mathematical. But if you can see here on mine, this is labeled TSP, but this is a capital TBS. I also have seen it where tablespoon is a capital T and teaspoon is a lowercase t. As a matter of fact, when I did this, I labeled it that way to show you. The reason I'm telling you this, you will see these your entire life. It's just like with cups and ounces. Those are measurements you're going to see your entire life because of cooking. This is one of the most common measurements you're going to see. And so I wanted you to see the different ways that you might see it. Okay, but now back to mathematical. And in mathematical, it is like this. You're not going to sit there and pour and figure it out, obviously. You're also not going to have to do the long way, but I wanted to show it to you. So we know we're going from bigger to smaller. Anytime you go from bigger to smaller, your number is going to get larger. Larger to smaller means that you multiply. How many teaspoons did we just say goes into a tablespoon? 3, so our special number is 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. Now guess what? Once you just get it in your head, just memorize that it takes 3 teaspoons to equal 1 tablespoon. From then on out, if a recipe calls for 5 tablespoons, but all you have is a teaspoon, then you go 5 times 3 is 15. Or if some recipe calls for 12 teaspoons, you can say, well, that's just 4 tablespoons. I'll do that instead. Once you know that special number is 3, that's all you've got to do. It's just multiplying times 3 to go from tablespoon to teaspoon. So if you have 4 tablespoons, 4 times 3 is 12. If you have 20 tablespoons, 20 times 3 is 60. Whatever number of tablespoons you have, you're going to times it by 3 to get your teaspoons. That's all there is to that lesson. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. See y'all later, alligators.